Here's a Fox body Mustang, 1992 Ford Mustang LX 5-liter convertible. Nice looking car. Of course, these became known as the summertime edition. We're actually a mid-year release, kind of known as 1992 and a halves. And they were kind of followed in the footsteps of the 1997 Up edition, where you had the white interior, white power top, AM FM cassette stereo, and we'll get around to the back. We will see the no luggage rack, got a sleek spoiler back there. They put on these opal pearlescent wheels, and a very cool looking car. Little history on this car: 3-owner car from what we can tell with the paperwork trail that we have. We have titling from when it was with the first owner in Illinois, and then was sold to the second owner in Minnesota, and then we ended up with it from the third. Has been adult owned and driven, and for 1992 paint, yes, what you're seeing in the video right there, it looks like it's wet. We did a light buff to it, waxed it, and it turned out very, very nice. As far as the hood, I did notice, and I don't know if I can get it to point out, you won't be able to see it, the hood, there's just too much reflection. Like I said, the hood looks too wet, but there's a couple real small, the paint's not dinged, but a couple spots where you could PDR it on the hood, but I won't even be able to really get them to show up. There you can see, right there, just barely. Other than that, you can see the front of this. I mean, it's not full of rock chips or dings. Yeah, you're gonna find just a couple spots here and there maybe that were touched up, but overall, very nice shape. If you take a look at every panel on this car, from the front fenders, hood, front fascia, rear quarters, door, trunk, they all still have that VIN, what do you want to say, sticker, VIN sticker that goes on each of the panels. That guarantees this is all original sheet metal, and I can't see where there's been any paint work done to it either. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the engine bay, check out the underside of this car. You'll see those VIN stickers I'm talking about throughout the car to show that the original panels. Check out the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see it. And of course, call us. Feel free to call us at 507-386-1726. Top on this is white. Said earlier, it is a power top. It's in nice shape. You can check that out in the still pictures. You might have just a little bit of discoloring here or there on the white, but again, check out the still pictures. It's not bad at all. You can see what type of condition this leather is in. Very nice. Original dash. From what I can tell, this car is all original, with the exception of your typical maybe wearable items like a battery, tires, anything like that. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Feel free to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust. Of course, 5.0 under the hood of this. This one does have the 4-speed automatic transmission in it, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Yeah, look up and down this car, how straight it is, how nice that paint looks. There is one little spot, let me show you on this other side, just a little bit of touch up to it, if I can even find that back. Just a little spot, it's even tough to get that stuff to show up. A little spot there where it's been touched up. A little over 30,000 miles on this car, and again, original miles. Those are accurate. You can follow the paper trail with the titles that we have. I'm going to go ahead and start this up. Of course, power windows, power locks, cruise control. No warning indicators on. It'll just be the, and there it went, the seatbelt light, of course. Again, AC. Automatic, stock console, stock dash. Dash does not show wear. Alright. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. sound. Nice little rumble. Nothing crazy. Alright, tell you what, I'm going to slip up to the front, pause this video a second. I want to show you this engine bay because it is as clean and as nice as the rest of this car. Alright, hood pop. HO, 5 liter high output. 302. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. You can see how stock everything appears underneath here. Some of those VIN stickers that I was talking about, there's one for the front fascia. Look back there in the corner, there's one in the hood. Down to the passenger fender here. Driver's fender, and again, all those are in the pictures on every panel. The one under the rear bumper is also there. It's tough to get a picture of though. So there you go. Nice stock 1992 Ford Mustang LX convertible, summertime edition. A vibrant red, white interior, power top, and a little over 30,000 miles, adult owned and driven, 3-owner car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website listing and the pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.